blay pi baro shaka thup khubor jongi kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentakas ngi gilong. Yaro UMP ka Raja Sabha ya ka jingshong kun ka shat suk mensim Hamadan Marbisu. Kerpat Menteri ke Veterinary Megalia ya Menteri Rangba ka Assam ban syarung ya ki masih syodo. Daka jing thung ding rakhe Mother's Day katanat SRT T Megalia Fire and Services Western Range. But hadin new pesan senem yo yeng mane bapaka hakukon perda Paris light kro. Tumentang ni phaj ki khubor ki bakhambria. Kumsi benta ban rakhe ka jingdap shis pasnem ka sengkhasi marbisu henin ka singi ka pratarik mentau banai jemang ar puar. Kala penlong ka jingshat suk mensim Hamadan Marbisu hakaba ki nong shat na keleng ki jaka jangka than kilawan ban yashim benta kumba ar tam. Hakani ka singi la sakhilang yakani ka jingshat da UMP ka Raja Sabha Rakesh Sinha ubalalong ukongsan hak jingdan lang UMLA ka Mauplang constituency usamla Eugene San Lingdo UMLA ka South Shillong uba San Borshulai UMLA ka Mauhati constituency uba Dasakhyat Lamare ki bakrau batri ka Sengkhasi kemi upa aim Dr. Balajit Singh's aim ka Hima Kriem u acting's aim ka Hima Melim u Aina Manik's aim bat kiwe ki balasha khot ngobha Rakesh Sinha ulaong baka shat suk mensim kalong ka wei na kijing shat tenrai ka basyong kun bha bat baka perthai baro ka wei ka de ban tip syapang ka riti dustur ka baki khasi kidan ulakularu ban ra ka ni ka jing pen I ya kijing shat tenrai hamar bisu syaka sarkar kme khnang bakan yo a jing kershan bat jing ithu shu ula penslore ka sarkar jilla bat dikipat bahi bakinang pen I kini ki riti ki dustur shadalhi bat syaki wei par ki jaka jong kari India.
That Marbisu's this culture program that includes music, dance and other things should be acknowledged, should be encouraged and also should be given financial help so that the new generation should be encouraged in that program. And I would also request this culture program should be exhibited in New Delhi and other parts of the country. This is one of the best culture programs I have seen in my life. This represents the core value and community life and cultural utility of the Sengkhasi community. And I think the tradition which is alive in that very small children to the eldest people all together participate in the program, someone actively participating, others are witnessing the program. I think this is truly representing the India's culture and I think this program must go to other parts of the country. The people from North India, South India, Western India must know, see the Sengkhasis, this culture program which includes dance, music and community representation of the culture.
Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba San Borshulai hakas ningkong ula pentip ba ula tho so Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Assam ban tuklar lang ba kanum dan kanu ka jing pendik yaki kali baket yaki merat bamdo ki barung syakani ka Jylla kani kasin jam ka de hadin ba kasunjuk kinong shodo ka Jylla kilawan hakmat Menteri ba kadon ka jingsha lumpisa halenti ka ba kila kundu jing hado kata-kata
application local traders received so far for issue of transit permit and 370 transit permit have been issued to genuine local traders. Dairy cooperative societies and others TP transit pass has issued to all 53 applicants. 173 TP transit pass also renewed after expiry of validity. Therefore, allegation on not getting transit permit is denied, is totally false and baseless. Department has been granting TPs expeditiously to genuine local traders. The department has not received any complaint from traders regarding any hurdle faced in Assam while transporting cattle. If any problem being faced by the traders who possess transit permit issued by Meghalaya, traders are requested and they can approach for legal remedy or submit complaints to the department for intervention of all necessary documents required to be created that has been furnished by the department. Price of beef, as alleged, has gone up mostly due to illegal transportation of cattle, as the BSF has recently seized cattle on the that is on the 2nd May 2022. So this is a clarification regarding this allegation.
Kumshibanta ban rakhe ka Mothers Day ka kunhon search and rescue team jo ka Meghalaya Fire and Service Western Range kala penlong da ka jingthung ya arpu santli ki tenrai ding so ha phalau jo ka fire station Harongram West Garo Hills District.
का साथ छाया भी देगा, उसके बाद ये जो बड़ा होगा तो हम लोग का कुछ यहाँ से फल देगा तो हम लोग का जो पीछे का पीढ़ी है वो लोग खाएगा.
Kendiat sngi hadian ka jingmi jo ki kenhon ba pher ban persya ka khalai online haga jela menta ka sngi la mi pat saka seng bhalang neutrab youth council ka bayeng lang hakate ka jo ka nongrem halor kane nakaliang ka HYC sengkme haga sngi ningkong kala let banya kendui usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba preston banyak kran halor kate ka phang
revenue jo ka state tela da fikwa sisa ba ka state jongi kan don ka bisa te plug kita ki loopholes kan penduna ya ka leakage of revenue pimdan kam ba dawan ra de kini ki kam ya khalai mo ya ka bangila kren of ma jong TCMP mentangi ngila don apa la kidon gi jingkreng bong bangila don ya ka tho team ngila don ya ki lottery Tiki niru kita ada ki kam ya khalai te bale onang penbun syuk ki kam khalai kenya ka jala ka jong ya ki bala don la regulate lepa da ki angi ba fair jong ka state ngim kwa apat ken banang penbun syuk ki kam khalai te kita ki degi ya ka bangi ngila ada ban ajing bot ya ka sorka ngila ongru ka ngila pen pawru fi la da fi puli ya ka act but ya ka rules ka definition jong player you player ki ong kat kum ka act kat kum ka rules ki ong any person above the age of 18 can be a player. Kumat bau nu nong syong la ne ubriu balata me khat pras nam seneng ulak ban ya simbentah kata kam ka kita gi gaming act. Ndre la da fi ngap pada statement ya about the TCM u minister in charge taxation u chief minister ki ong ba on sha ban yele akai tangi ki outsider kumut tangi ki tourist ndre ka jing tho apat kam ya hap ken ba kata ka jing kren ga jongki tingi la kren ga basha gi ong bala da fi kwa la da fi mut ban ong kumta te de ban tho ken hak an bu kalong kumta khnang ba kini gi jing bom ya so tho la ni gi jing so tho ki jongi ba ka an ga kren da kumwe ga statement jongki jong minister jong deputy CM ul CM kalong da kumwe kan clear gi kini daw te kitar gi kidi gi jing dawa ga jongi ba there should be clear definition who is a player and who will not be a player kata
Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association kaseng kinong de madan kala penlong ka jing pen khoi ki jaka ba ki shong de jing de nadu ka por phrabaje hene ka step ka khandai tarik ujemang 8000 ar ki benta ba ki pen khoi ki kan thup ya ki saudong saukun jo ki khandai la ki de khot bar kinong de madan na baro ka leng ki jaka ka nong ba ki le shim benta shirham ha ka ne ka jing pen khoi ka balong kum shi benta na ka jing thumu ka seng ban penlong ka sor ka ba khoi bat ka ba itnan kaseng kala shim kia bat shong per khatru hakabaya dei banya khun persha eka jingma jo ka plastic bat shen kaseng kan sa penbana bat thayo ki lat kilenti ki badon kam banle klem da pen thot ya ka kamai jakpo nakaliang uba shen thaba u general secretary kaseng ula ai ka jing khublei ki nong shim benta batru ikitnat tre kam ka Shillong municipality bat fire service ki balai snok tilang hakani kasngi Kaparish lat kro hanin kasi ka pratarik ujemang 8000 ar kalayo ban play bat kerkhu ya kawe ka yemane hakasnong ku kon perda hakani kasngi lasdang na kamas ba khoi bala penbenta di isolation provincial ka Shillong province ifada Paul Ulingkot haka jingendon lang ifada Gedwin ke warba parish priest ka Maujrong parish ifada Anthony Malay assistant parish priest bat ifada Sylvester Syndrome hadin jo kamas ladon kajingat procession Maria bat kajing mani sakramen balapan kut ya kani kasni daki cultural program baper nakaliang kadon Bosco Media Network kalayo banyakran bat parish priest ifada Gedwin warba ibalay thu baka jingshir hem jo ki riunget hakani kasnong kamtam ki riurang ba Kalau penlong hiki bahalor bantai kani ke Yemani ke bapaka hadin bun senem.
Kecing rap kalawan balas sedang banseng yo monong rim ha kani ka Shillong yo ni monong ke Yemani atu pratarik banai Oktober arja arpuwei ban menta tang hapon ru banai tam katokan isni nilala pensaki ya kani ka jingdon jong kani ke Yemani ke bitenat ke bisongkun hab ke kipa jong belai kemudian kam su ban yang sabar ke poslap kemudian kam su ban sakher ke potlang ila ban rum kani ke Yemani ke bai songkun ke bahe ban menta kasi lawan saki de ki hajar ki beliau nak keleng sodong ban ya wan simenta kani ke jingku ya kani ke Yemani ke kipa rungek jong kani ke Shillong kinlong kinong ay men simru ki wepat ki pararang ba ki beton hakaleng sodong kari kasi namang isiam ba pun rang ba hi ki khamsim stik ya ka jinglong niam le hang ne kini ki rang ba ki pher na ki wepat bakani ka long kanopsa ka ba maki ki laban ai om tang ya kani ka area sa kani ka parichungi le gi laban ong ya ka pathai hi bar
Badak itu ki khubor ngila poisha ka bakun tar hadu bangin de ya syambyang khublei shibun